Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. We are here in the warehouse. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, so let's take a look and see what's available for your bike this week. First up then, part number 067094, the crankshaft stud nut kit for the 750 plus the 850 from 1972 to 1974 is £46.74 including VAT. Next up, the valve cover fastener set for the 500 and 850 twins, part number 131808 is £26.11 including VAT. Part number 064871/13, that's the front master cylinder assembly kit with a CW lever for the pre-850 Mark IIIs, that is £355.14 including VAT. Part number 067254, the tacker drive housing with oil seal, that's normally part numbers 061090 and 065200, is £20.34 including VAT. And finally this week, the valve adjuster socket head, that's part number 067546AK, is £9.18 including VAT. And of course, as always, if there's anything that we've not mentioned this week and you'd really like it for your bike, you can either get in touch with us or you can set yourself a reminder through the Andover Norton website. It's really simple to do. There's a link in the section below. Go and click on that. It takes you through the whole process and then you will get an email sent to you when that item comes back in stock. But until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.